Okay, let's see if I can get the waterfall chart to work. As I mentioned the other day in class, I haven't done a lot of these, but it's a cool graph. Subcategory. Now running total. Cute little Gantt things, looking kind of cool. Do the calculated field. You notice I didn't do this exactly where the book recommended. So I'm going to pause for a second. The book said to go up to here and create a calculated field, and you certainly could have done that right from scratch. And then you just type in there and do whatever you want with it. I'm not going to do that though, because I already created that field. So subcategory, bring the sales over. We sorted it twice to get it the right direction, did the running total, and now we drag the difference into the size spot, and abracadabra, we have a waterfall chart. Just for kicks, let's do another one. Instead of sales, let's do profit. Also by subcategory. Same step, subcategory profit. Sort it twice. Convert it to a running total, which changes the scale quite a bit. We can do the calculated field from here or right from here. Profit change, profit difference. Put the negative on there. Well, I didn't change my mark yet to Gantt. I want to do that. And now, drag my change into there. Another waterfall chart.